Learning to code can be exhilarating but daunting. Many individuals dive into the world of programming with enthusiasm only to become disheartened when progress seems slow. The biggest mistake that nearly 90% of beginners make is focusing too heavily on theoretical knowledge instead of practical application. This approach can lead to frustration and a lack of confidence as they find themselves overwhelmed by programming concepts without knowing how to apply them effectively. Before you can build complex applications, it's crucial to build your skills incrementally through practice rather than just theory. The second common pitfall lies in the overemphasis on learning multiple programming languages simultaneously. New coders often fall into the trap of believing that being proficient in many languages is the key to success, yet this can be counterproductive. Instead of gaining mastery, learners may find themselves scattered and confused, resulting in a shallow understanding of each language. Choosing one language and dedicating time to it not only fosters deeper comprehension but also encourages the development of practical projects that showcase your growing abilities. Another frequent mistake is neglecting the importance of debugging and problem solving. New programmers may shy away from errors and bugs, viewing them as failures rather than essential learning opportunities. It's vital to embrace challenges and view them as stepping stones to mastery. Developing a strong mindset towards troubleshooting can significantly enhance your programming skills. Those who spend extra time understanding errors and effectively debugging their code develop a more resilient and adaptable approach to learning. They become adept at overcoming obstacles, which ultimately results in better coding practices in the long run. Lastly, one of the most detrimental habits is the desire for immediate results. In the realm of coding, patience is key. Many learners lose motivation when they don't see rapid progress, leading to abandonment of their coding journey. It's essential to recognize that coding proficiency is a marathon, not a sprint. Regular practice, continual learning, and perseverance will get you where you want to be. Seek out projects that inspire you and gradually increase complexity, which keeps your interest alive. Remember, the path to becoming a skilled programmer is marked by persistence, practice, and embracing both successes and failures.